Hello everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, The Informant. If you're new to this channel, let me just remind you that we make videos related to online services, education, placement drives, and many more. If you have not subscribed our channel yet, please do hit the red button so that you get latest notifications first on your screen. So as you all know, we are back with a new video that is how to apply for Accenture Shuttle or cab services. So first of all, mainly many of the candidates do not know that Accenture provides shuttle or cab services also. If you know, you might be having many confusions like how to apply, who are eligible. So in this video, we'll be discussing in detail each and every step, how to apply for shuttle and cab services, and what is the eligibility criteria, what is the time when you should apply, and how will you get the cab services. So will everyone get, or it is limited seats? So each and every detail in detail with step-by-step procedure with pictorial representation. So please stay tuned till the end so that you don't miss any important updates. So on this note, let's start our today's video. So first of all, what are the terms and conditions? So when you should apply? So as you can see over here, last 5 days of previous month. For example, you need to apply for the month of February. So you'll be applying it 26 January 2023. So last five of the previous month. If you want for February, apply 5 days before starting of the February. And remember, as I told you, it's a first come first serve service. So if you apply first, then only you might get seats because there are limited number of cabs and limited number of seats. As you know, in each of the Accenture facility, there are thousands of employees. So it's practically not possible to provide facility to all the employees. So they have given limited facility, cab facility, so that who are in actual need, they only apply for it and they only can avail the facility. So this was all about the terms and conditions. I hope you are clear. Last 5 days of the previous month. So example, to avail shuttle or cab services in the month of February, you need to apply between 26 January and 31st January, that is 2023. Note, as I have told you, it's a first come first serve service with limited seats. If not, you'll be in waiting list. So there is another thing called waiting list. For example, you applied a bit late and the cab is already full. So you'll be in waiting list so that if any candidate who have got the seat in cab or shuttle services, if they withdrew the seat, so who are in next waiting list, they'll be getting promoted and they'll be getting the seat. So this is about the waiting list. So next is how to apply. So first of all, it's like probably you will get a mail from Accenture related to shuttle and cab services, mostly after a primer assessment. It's like after almost a month joining after Accenture, you'll get a mail from the transport team that you are eligible to apply for free cab and shuttle services. So once you get this mail, they'll be attaching a link with that mail itself. So you need to click on that link and follow the procedure. So we'll be showing that procedure, what all you should do in our next slide. So I hope you're clear with this. You can read the steps if you want. You will get a mail from Accenture related to cab services mostly after a primer assessment where you will be eligible to apply for Accenture free shuttle cab services. And I forgot to tell you, it's completely free. They do not charge for this shuttle or cab services. So click on the link provided in the mail. You'll be redirected to the following website. So as you can see, if you open the Accenture Shuttle Cab Services, that is Transport Management System website, you will be redirected to this page. So as you can see, what all details you need to fill in. So first of all, personal details, that is your address, address 1, address 2, address 3, that is line 1, line 2, line 3, and gender, then the city which you are currently working in. As you know, it's now work from office. That's why the motive of the video is that so that you can avail these services since it's work from office and many of the employees are facing difficulties since they have come from far away from their home locations. So this shuttle and transport facility will help them. So you need to give the PIN code, your mobile number and landline. So this is in the first slide. After filling all these details, next is your supervisor details. So you need to fill the supervisor details and search by, you can search by enterprise ID or employee ID. So after this, official details, that which facility you are working in. After facility, the entity, then the project, then the HID, then the finance team. So all these facilities, all this information you can get from your HR. So these facilities you'll be knowing if you have joined Accenture, basically. So this was all about the official details. So after filling this, next is routes. So this is very important. So you'll be having a doubt to how to know that whether the cab comes to your route or what. So for this also, when they'll be sending that mail, in that website you can see the available routes for your city, like from where all the pickup will go on and till where the drops will give. So these things will be there in that website. So after this mode, so as you can see, pickup, you want only pickup service, you want drop service, or you want both. So you can select according to your convenience whatever is necessary. Then the colony, the nearest colony of your pickup and drop, and the landmark, and see pickup shift and drop shift. If you go to this drop down list, you'll be having all the facilities that comes into your particular city jurisdiction. So pickup shift and drop shift. You can search and you can select all these things. So down you can see registration details. So as you can see, when is the start date, when is the end date. So I'll tell you, it is for 1 month only. It's not like you register it for once and you can use it lifetime till you are in Accenture. No, that's not the case. It's only for a period of 1 month. So example, you have if you are registering for the month of February, again same procedure you must follow and do the following in registration for the month of March and April, so on. So this is very important. So every month you must follow the same procedure. So pickup distance, all these details, if you select, they'll be displaying over here. So I hope you're clear with this, each and every details. So at last, after you register everything, you'll be getting a mail from Accenture, which will be stating that this mail is to confirm you that shuttle registration below in the registration summary, and you can print the copy of registration pass from the tool. So from the tool you can download the pass. You need to show that pass to the driver or the cab owner. So kindly carry the same and produce the same before boarding the vehicle when asked by the transport coordinator, without which you will be disallowed to board the vehicle as part of shuttle services subscription. No transportation fare will be deducted from your payroll. As I told you in starting itself, it's completely free services. So you can see over here, no transportation fare will be deducted from your payroll. For queries, you can raise request in my request tool, or they have given a helpline number. It's only for Accenture employees, not for everyone. So you can see the transport help desk number, and they'll give you a registration summary that what all details you have given and which is the vehicle ID, vehicle registration number, which vehicle you must get in, and which route you get. So each and every detail is provided over here. I hope you all are clear with our today's video and today's topic, since it's a very important topic and many of you had doubts related to it. I got many messages to make a video on transport services in Accenture. So this is the video. I hope you all like it. If you like our content, please do like, share, and subscribe as much as possible so that we get motivated and we bring to you informative content like this. So thank you guys for watching our today's video. If you find our content informative, please do like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned.